good, YouTube? And today I'm finna be doing a review on the Glock 19X I just purchased today, bruh. This is a shooting view, that's what we gonna call it. This is a shooting view for sure. But before we get into that, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. For starters, bro, we gonna say it came in a PSA bag, bruh. I don't know why, but that is how it came. Enough talking though, let's get straight into it. She came with everything. I see still nothing PSA on but the bag. Everything goes Glock. Yes, it came with that. Beautiful. This just came with the little mag. The little mag holder, bro. The Glock bag ain't even got that, so I'm kind of happier about this. I ain't even gonna lie. Came with 2 extra mags. I like that for real. The camel tone standard. I like that. Missed it. Another camel tone. She's a beauty. I ain't gonna count, this is one of my favorite guns though, I ain't gonna lie. As you can see, she's empty. Same direction. Yep. She is. But let's see what she talked about though. Yeah.
Look at this dude.
I'm gonna say I hit about a good 7 out of 12. But like that was my first shot. I ain't even have to, you feel me? I ain't have to do nothing. I'm just finna just the flush mount. Just the flush mount right here. She still looks beautiful. Let me show y'all what I'm shooting at though. It's kind of fire. Let me get y'all like right there, so y'all can see. Y'all see that buffalo in the corner right there? I'm finna be stinging them two right there. But even though I know it's gonna pass it, bruh, I just gotta do it. Unfortunately, we can't mag down here because, you know, rules and shit. But I can do the hood test. Smooth as butter, baby. That's my Glock 19X. I'm loving that thing. I'm finna EDC that thing on God all year round. Like, I could carry that in the winter. Even though I love that 40. I love that 40. Y'all ain't even seen that 40 yet, though. You feel me? I'm going to give y'all a review on that 40 next. The next range day, I'm going to grab that 40. And I'm going to do 40, 19X, 43X, 10 mil, 357. Whatever you want. Fuck it. That 40 hurt.